na Andy Gang, especially I think the MLBB female scene. Sobrang hilig nila sa combo na yun. But I mean, if you wanna go the safe route, no, pwede na rin kayo magpili ng jungler. And they're actually gonna be locking in the Roger here.
Okay, I see it. I see it. So first 3 picks natin, ang kupunan ng 9 lives ay meron ng jungler and EXP laner. Parehas sila may gold laner, pero yung kabila naman, Hori has their mid laner and EXP laner. Actually, you know what? Hindi pa ako sigurado. Because Arlott is a really good hero that could be in any position. Maybe in the EXP lane, mid, roam, you name it. There's a very good chance that they could.
Yeah, I feel like it's a roam.
Yeah.
Sakto sa pagka-point out mo, no, nag-hover over the season sila ngayon. Isa sa mga heroes na alam natin, most of the time, I mean, if it comes to the setup plays, it's definitely gonna be the Arlott. Pero mukhang ganito yung case, no, sobrang daming front-to-back line itong side ng Hori. But at the same time, you really cannot deny the presence dito ng Baras at saka Ling. Pero syempre, sinagot na rin ng Martis na nakita rin natin kahapon.
Yup, quick pick up kagad mula sa kanila sa pagkuha ng Martis all the way and moving forward is this time.
Yes.
Yes, it is.
It is.
Carmilla is gonna be going to the roam and mukhang parang hindi na na favorite ko yung Carmilla.
Hindi, gusto ko lang makita.
Gusto
ko lang talaga makita, pero main hero ko kasi. Para sa akin kasi, nagugulat ako pag pinipili siya kasi meta siya ngayon eh.
Tama.
I think ito yung usual case, lalo na pag yung jungler mo ay assassin, diba? Kailangan mo ng extra frontline. Kasi magpo-force yung XP lane mo na mag-frontline. Eh, hindi naman yan present sa mga team fights. Minsan nagpo-push yan. So, I like it. Pero worry ko lang dito is magical scaling damage as compared to the other side na Roger. Iba pa rin talaga yung marksman eh.
Oo, iba yung marksman.